Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the date and time on the Samsung Galaxy M16 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, security settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type date and time and wait for the results to appear. This will display the relevant options for adjusting your date and time settings. Step 4. After performing the search, find date and time and tap on it. Then, tap on the option again to access the settings. Step 5. Now locate the automatic date and time option. Unfortunately, this is turned on, meaning your phone sets the time automatically based on your network. To change the date and time manually, turn this option off. Step 6. For the last and most important step, tap Set Date and select your preferred date. Then tap Set Time and choose your desired time. Once done, tap Done, and your changes will be applied instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.